Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the greatest mysteries of the universe, the fascinating dance of dark matter and supermassive black holes. This video will take you deep into the dark universe and explore the astonishing interaction between black matter and black holes. If you're ready, we're going on a journey into deep space. Dark matter is known as the most mysterious substance in the universe. This invisible matter, which doesn't interact with light, makes up the bulk of the mass in the universe. But how can this mysterious matter help supermassive black holes merge? The answer may be hidden in a new study that has scientists excited. Astronomers have long known that supermassive black holes merge when galaxies collide. These mergers create gravitational waves that ripple the fabric of space-time. The detection of gravitational waves has provided evidence of this collision process and has become fundamental to our understanding of how supermassive black holes grow to millions or even billions of solar masses. However, understanding how supermassive black holes overcome the final 3.3 light-year distance poses a major problem for scientists. This problem is known as the last parsec problem and has remained unsolved for many years. New research suggests that the solution to this problem may lie in black matter. Can dark matter help black holes merge? Yes, but on one condition. Dark matter particles must interact with each other. This theory says that dark matter particles must collide with each other and lose energy. If these interactions are true, dark matter particles could accelerate the merger of black holes, which could give us new clues about the nature of dark matter. The merger process of black holes relies on them finding each other, forming a binary system, and then slowly decreasing their orbital separation, says research team leader Gonzalo Alonso Alvarez from the University of Toronto. Alonso Alvarez and his team used mathematical models to investigate what role dark matter might play in this process. This finding suggests that dark matter particles could accelerate the merger of black holes by losing energy in their collisions. Understanding what dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries of science. It doesn't interact with light, but only with other matter through gravity. If this theory is correct, the ability of dark matter particles to collide with each other could help us understand the nature of dark matter. But how is this possible? Dark matter is very different from ordinary matter. The particles that make up ordinary matter, such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, interact with light, so we can see them. But dark matter does not interact with light. This makes it invisible. We cannot observe dark matter directly, but we can sense its presence thanks to gravitational effects. For example, without dark matter, the gravitational force of galaxies would not be enough to hold them together. Therefore, without dark matter, galaxies would quickly fall apart. Dark matter particles are much heavier than ordinary matter particles. Dark matter makes up about 85% of the total mass of the universe. This means that stars, planets, and all the other matter we see make up only about 15%. So, most of the universe is made up of dark matter, which we are still trying to understand. What role could dark matter play in the merging of black holes? Research shows that dark matter is concentrated in the center of galaxies and could have a significant impact on the merger of black holes. Black holes converge and eventually merge during the collision of galaxies. This process takes place in 3 stages. In the first stage, black holes pass by many stars and enter into gravitational interactions with them. These interactions reduce the speed of the black holes and pull them towards the center of the galaxy merger. This loss of energy pulls the black holes towards each other. The second stage is the most critical. When the black holes reach a distance of about 3.3 light-years from each other, the interactions with the stars lose their effect. At this point, gravitational wave emissions kick in. Black holes produce gravitational waves as they orbit each other. These waves drive away orbital energy, bringing the black holes closer together. However, for this process to begin, black holes need to cross a certain distance. This is where dark matter comes in. Researchers suggest that dark matter may play an important role in this process. As black holes move through dense clouds of dark matter, they collide with dark matter particles and lose energy as a result of these collisions. This loss of energy accelerates the merger process of black holes. If the black matter particles interact with each other, this process becomes even more efficient. If this theory is correct, the ability of dark matter particles to collide could provide important clues about the nature of dark matter. While dark matter is known as a substance that only interacts with gravity, this research shows that dark matter particles may have the ability to collide with each other. This could open a new door to understanding the structure and properties of dark matter. Gonzalo Alonso Alvarez and his team tested this theory with mathematical models and showed that the collision of black matter particles with each other could accelerate the merger process of black holes. If this model is correct, we can prove that black matter not only interacts with gravity, but also has the ability to collide within itself. Beyond helping us understand the nature of black matter, this theory could also solve the mystery behind black hole mergers. Black hole mergers play an important role in the evolution of the universe. These mergers produce gravitational waves that affect the fabric of the universe. Understanding the merger of black holes could help us understand the history and future of the universe. Understanding how dark matter plays a role in this process is causing great excitement in the scientific community. This theory could provide new clues about the nature of dark matter and help us solve one of the universe's greatest mysteries. If dark matter particles do indeed collide with each other, this could be a revolutionary discovery that will help us understand the structure of dark matter and its role in the universe. Although dark matter makes up a large fraction of the mass in the universe, it is almost impossible to observe it directly. However, scientists can detect the presence of dark matter indirectly through gravitational effects. For example, the motion of galaxies provides important clues that prove the existence of dark matter. Galaxies do not only move due to the gravitational effects of visible matter, dark matter also contributes to their motion. Dark matter theories play an important role in our understanding of how the universe formed and evolved. Dark matter is what holds galaxies and galaxy clusters together. If there were no dark matter, the gravitational force of galaxies would not be enough to hold them together, and galaxies would quickly fall apart. Dark matter is therefore a critical element in our understanding of the structure and order of the universe. The interaction between dark matter and black holes opens a new window into our understanding of processes deep inside the universe. Dark matter can play a critical role in this process by accelerating the merger of black holes. This interaction could provide important clues about the nature of dark matter particles and help us understand the structure of dark matter. How does it feel to discover one of the universe's greatest mysteries? Could dark matter really play such an important role in the merging of black holes? Share your thoughts in the comments and discuss how this theory could be confirmed in future research. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that we can continue to explore the mysteries of the universe together. Understanding the structure and properties of dark matter could help us solve one of the biggest mysteries of the universe. These discoveries will help us understand how the universe formed and how it evolved. If dark matter particles do indeed collide with each other, this could be a revolutionary discovery that will help us understand the structure of dark matter and its role in the universe. See you in the next video. Stay science.